Raindrops falling silver in the night. Lanterns glowing, turning dark to light. Shadows fading, softly drift away. Hey, hey. Whispers rising, asking me to stay. Through the silence, I feel alive. Lanterns keep the fire inside. Lanterns in the rain, light me up again. Lanterns in the rain, calling out my name. Lanterns in the rain, over and again. Lanterns in the rain, forever will remain. Golden windows shining in the dark. Memories glowing like a fleeting spark. Dreams keep moving though the night feels cold. Lanterns guiding stories yet untold. Steps are fading but the glow is near. Lanterns whisper everything I hear. And I feel it now, the night's embrace. Every drop a song in time and space. Lanterns in the rain, light me up again. Lanterns in the rain, calling out my name. Lanterns in the rain, over and again. Lanterns in the rain, forever will remain. Stay with me until the morning comes. Through the rain, our hearts beat as one. Every whisper, every flame. Lanterns call my name. Hold the night, don't let it go. Lanterns guide the soul. Lanterns in the rain, light me up again. Lanterns in the rain, calling out my name. Lanterns in the rain, over and again. Lanterns in the rain, forever will remain. Lanterns in the rain, light me up again. Lanterns in the rain, calling out my name. Lanterns in the rain, softly calling me. Lanterns in the rain, set my spirit free. Lanterns in the rain, shining through the night. Every little spark keeps the fire alive. Lanterns in the rain, softly calling me. Lanterns in the rain, set my spirit free. Forever will remain.